Vast ocean views, flat grounds, luxe amenities, and incredible design coalesce at this iconic Montecito estate. This timeless beauty was exquisitely executed to embody the California dream at its finest. Built on over 2 acres of lush grounds, anchored by unobstructed ocean and mountain views, the panoramic setting is strikingly beautiful and well-suited for small, intimate gatherings, yet expands effortlessly for large, lavish events. A spacious living room welcomes you to the residence and offers an introduction to its signature elements, lofty proportions, and laid-back sophistication. 3 sets of French doors fill the room with southern light and open to the ocean view terrace, while a beautiful stone fireplace is ideal for cozy evenings. The kitchen is a chef's dream and epitomizes the best of form and function. The spacious family room is the heart of the home. The expansive ocean view loggia spans the entire length of the residence and connects the main level spaces with the great outdoors. Richly paneled walls, a handsome fireplace, and extensive built-in adorn the distinguished library. A luxe ocean view primary suite with vaulted ceilings offer enviable volume to the spacious bedroom. Wake up with an invigorating outdoor shower on the private terrace and wind down in the evening in front of the beautiful fireplace. Outside, the grounds are a virtual playground for everyone. The flat, Wimbledon quality lawn is irresistible to sunbathers, soccer, or volleyball players. With stunning views of the residence and Santa Ynez Mountains, the lawn is also an ideal location for summer dinner parties and afternoon teas. An expansive pool and spa are sure to foster year-round fun from the expansive pool deck. The Channel Island and ocean views that hang on the horizon are the show-stopping backdrops to this recreational oasis. Pebbled walkways and stone walls lead through the lush tropical landscaping to the surrounding terraced gardens. On the west wing of the lower level is home to a lounge perfectly suited for billiards, darts, and ping pong. Oversized chaise and built-in benches offer cinema seating for streaming, snacks, and conversation. A private guest house sits atop the 3-car garage, surrounded by lush terraces and hedges. The tropical vibe of the interior is palpable with the vaulted ceiling of bamboo, wide plantation shutters, and beautifully woven fabric wall treatments. The home is listed at $33,500,000 with Riskin Partners Estate Group.